Greetings, my name is Helena Prior Felipe and I'm a Portuguese ophthalmologist and a clinical educator. Let's talk about curriculum development. Curriculum is not only agenda or program contents, but a planned educational experience that will enable a group of learners to depart from one point and arrive at another. A curriculum can mean an hour lecture, a 2 day course, or an entire residency program. Start by defining the learning gap to bridge learners from where they currently stand to a desirable higher level state of competence or performance. To assess your target learners' learning needs, think about four pillar questions. I don't know what I don't know. I know what I want and need to know. I think I know what I don't know. Now I have new information. I realize I wish to learn more. Unperceived needs can be assessed by a knowledge test or a chart audit. Perceived needs can be identified by applying a survey, meetings with colleagues, evaluation of previous educational programs. Misperceived needs by direct observation in patient complaints and also by analyzing referrals and prescriptions. And learning needs emerging after learning experiences can be unveiled by audience polls and commitments to change. Create goals and objectives. The goal informs about the overall purpose, and the objectives should match with assessment and communicate what the curriculum addresses and the expectations to achieve as a result of taking the learning experience. Objectives should be SMART, should be specific on a particular behavior with a measurable demonstration, achievable in accordance with facilitation and learning environment, and based on relevant content and time bound. Educational methods should match with objectives, content, assessment, and include active learning such as 1 minute reflection paper, think, pair, share, case study, simulation exercises, or jigsaw small groups work. A pre-quiz or a clinical problem can capture attention and predispose for learning. Active learning strategies can work as learning enablers. Opportunities to practice in the learning venue or at the workplace consolidate and reinforce learning. Implementation includes human and financial resources, engaged faculty and learners, organizational support, marketing, and communication strategies. Content delivery should not go beyond 40% of the allocated time for the learning experience, with the remaining 60% left for active learning. The Miller's Pyramid of Competence is a framework for assessing clinical competence. Start by assessing knowledge improvement with multiple choice questions, knowledge application with problem solving, clinical skills competency by simulation exercises, and at the top of the pyramid, clinical performance through direct observation at the workplace. Moore's 7-step outcomes framework for assessing learners and evaluating instructional activities should be used while planning learning activities and assessing learning. The model adds 4 levels on Miller's and proposes data sources to meet each evaluation level. Curriculum development is not linear, but a dynamic and interactive process. Kern's model is iterative, with each step with a multidirectional impact. If you would like to know more, please visit Module 11 on creating effective continuing professional development programs of the Teaching Skills series prepared by the Ophthalmology Foundation. Thank you for your attention.